Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are all doing great. Today's video is going to be a little different. I recently purchased this matte liquid lipstick at the 99-cent store, and I wanted to go ahead and try it out for you guys. I am actually still getting ready to head out to my grandparents' house. We do this every Sunday. We just go visit the family, have dinner there, and then I'm gonna head out to my parents' house. And I heard that I have some friend mail, so I am so excited to open it. And I will be showing you guys what I get when I get there. But for now, I just wanted to try out this matte liquid lipstick. And it's Max Makeup. I don't know how you say the name. Cherry Moya. I'm not too sure what it's called. And I honestly don't even... I don't know if that's the name of it. I don't see a name on here, but I'm just gonna go ahead and try it out. Let's see. It's the usual. And if you guys see me looking this way, it's because I do have a mirror here, but I'm gonna try to do it on the camera. And it smells really good. It's almost like a vanilla scent. Good morning, sleepyhead. I like how it feels. Right now it feels a little sticky, but I'm pretty sure it's because I just applied it. But it doesn't feel like drying or... I don't know, I like how it feels. Okay, so that is what it looks like. I actually really like how it looks. Definitely a neutral color, and I love it because I can't wear light colors. I just feel it does not go with my skin, but this one definitely, I am loving it, and I might have to go pick up some more of these. But I'm gonna go ahead and start finishing getting ready so I can head to my grandparents, and I'll see you guys in a little bit to see how this is holding up even after I eat. And then I'll see you guys soon, and stay tuned to see what I got as my friend mail. This is a little bit of a close-up for you guys, in case you guys want to see it. It's almost like a pink nude, but it also looks a little peachy. And in here it doesn't. It just looks like a mauve pink or like a nude pink. ¿Qué pasó? I also wanted to show you guys how it looked like outside with natural lighting. And isn't it so beautiful outside? My mom made pozole, guys, and this spicy hot sauce. Have you guys tried this before? So yummy. It was super hot outside and she still made pozole, but it's still so good. Okay guys, so I already ate, and this is what it looks like. You can kind of still see it there, but I'm not mad about it because I ate pozole, and usually when I eat something like that, it does completely go away no matter what the brand is. So I'd say it held up pretty good. So I'm really enjoying it, and I'm happy with my $1 purchase. Okay guys, so I'm finally at my parents' house, and I have received some friend mail. Look at how cute it is. All the stickers. And this is from Mommy and Kimberly's Adventures. I can't wait to open it and see what I got. I didn't expect this at all. My sister just texted me and told me that I had mail from Mommy and Kimberly's Adventure. There's all these cute stickers on there. This one reminds me of when I was a little girl. I still have some of those stickers. Look at how good that looks. This is so cute. I'm pretty sure Kimberly did this. Okay, so let's see. Ooh, what is this? Oh my god. This is so cute. This is for the hair straightener. I actually don't have this, so I'm so happy to have this. We are actually planning on taking a little trip to San Diego soon to take my son to the safari zoo, and I'm so happy that I have something to put my strainer in. So thank you so much. This is really, really cute. My dad and my brother are here, so that's the ones who are talking. They're entertaining my son. And this is what it looks like inside. And it has a divider. Thank you so much. Okay, let's see. Oh my god, look. Sebastian, look. It's Woody. Oh my god, I never found these. You want it? Say please. Okay. So this is gonna be for Sebastian. Okay, here. So Grandpa, I'll open it for you. He loves it. He's ready to open it. Thank you so much. I have a letter. Let's see, and it has some stickers. A peach. Look at that peach. Isn't it a peach? Rapunzel. So let's see. He has made everything beautiful in its time. This is so cute. Hi sis, just wanted to say thank you so much for the love you have shown us. More to Kimmy. Means so much to us and her. We love you, sis. May the Lord bless you and your family always. Keep shining, sis. God is good all the time. God bless you. From the what is their last name? I'm not sure how you pronounce your last name. Stebbins? From the Stebbins family or Stevens? I'm not sure, sis. Sorry. But this is so cute. Thank you. And yes, I always say that God is good every day, all day. So thank you so much, sis. That means a lot. Let's see. There's something wrapped in here. What is this? A banana? It's a banana. That is so cute. It's a banana with big googly eyes. So let's see. Oh my god. She got me. It's a little red truck. These are so cute. And I got, oh my god, it's like a gold green color. It's not really picking up on the camera, but it looks more gold in person than it does on the camera. It's like a gold green and I love it so much. Thank you so much, sis. I can't wait to decorate with these. Okay guys, so I had to change location because like I said, I'm at my parents' house and they are having conversations in the living room, so I don't want to have their business out here. But I'm gonna continue with what's left, and it's these beautiful hanging decorations. I have not seen these at my local 99 or Dollar Tree. I'm not sure where you got these from, but these are so pretty. Look at those colors. I think I'm gonna do a DIY with these because I just love the colors here. And then look at these, some pumpkins. I'm also gonna do some DIYs. Those are gorgeous. It comes with a little turkey, a pumpkin, and the leaves. And then I have one other thing. It's wrapped up in here, and I have to be careful because I think it breaks. Oh, okay. Some more stickers. You guys can see it's a strawberry and some cotton candy, I believe. Let's see. She wrapped it up really good. open it. Okay, I got it. I think I got it. Ooh, Magic in the Sea Fragrance Mist. And this is from Bath and Body Works. Oh my god, thank you so much. Oh, that smells so good. It smells so good, sis. I love it. I'm gonna spray a little more. It smells delicious. Thank you so much, sis. Thank you so much to you and your beautiful family. I really appreciate this. You don't know how much this means to me. I loved everything. And I just want to thank you guys from the bottom of my heart. I appreciate this. I love you guys. Like I mentioned before in my video, you guys are more like family to me. Just the way that you are, your positive vibes, your beautiful family. It always brightens up my day. And I appreciate that. I appreciate your love and your positive comments all the time. I'm sure everyone feels the same way about you guys, which is why you are receiving so much love. Like I told you before, you are receiving so much love because you give so much love. And I just want to say thank you to all of you guys who are always commenting on my videos, and it's always positive comments, and I love it. I feel like we are friends. I feel like I know you guys so well, and I appreciate that, every single one of you guys. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this little review and my friend mail opening. I'll be linking their channel down below, so if you guys aren't subscribed to their channel, go ahead and check them out and subscribe, because they are a really fun channel to watch. They have hauls, they have walk with me's, they have daily walks, they have their Kimmy's outfit of the day because she goes to church in her beautiful outfits, and they just have a lot of content. So if you guys are interested, then I'll leave the link down below in my description box so you guys can check them out. And as always, thank you guys all so much for watching, and I'll see you guys soon. Thank you.